Welcome back, guys. Alright, well, I got the rest of my parts here. I'll display that for you guys to see. Let me go over each one individually. Let's start off right after that. We have Western Digital 320 gigabyte hard drive, an ASRock A780G X8 AMD motherboard, supports Phenom 2X4. Behind it we have, also it's Crossfire, somewhere over here. There. Down here we have the Radeon HD 4050 from HIS Ice-Q 4 Turbo, not the X edition. And we have the Brain AMD 940 DNAB, two Coolmaster front blue LED 120mm fans, Corsair 4GB 800 MHz, Windows Vista Home Premium, and the Antec Earthwatt 650W PSU SLI and Crossfire with an 80+ rating, efficiency rating. And then it's all going in this beautiful Antec case. Stay tuned for the other unboxing videos.